I've been hearing a lot of shit about my ex lately, and it is insane. It's diabolical. It's funny because I'm just like, yes, yes, of course, of course, of course, of course, you're like this. Um, it's horrible. They are insufferable. They were low-key insufferable when we were dating also, but they were not this insufferable. And also I had rose-colored glasses on, so I did not realize how bad it was. But it's so bad. It is so bad. The only problem is that why do I still not see it? Like I know that I should not. I would not even be friends with them if I met them today for the first time. Like given that we have not dated each other and we are meeting for the first time, I would not be friends with them. So dating a person that I would not be friends with is insane. Why do I still? I mean, missing them is okay, but when a friend poses this question, ki if they come back, will you take them? Or if you cross paths somehow and start talking again, would you want to? And sometimes I just smile and say yes. Then my friends get mad. I also get mad, but I don't know why I say yes. I don't want to say yes. That is something I want to change about myself and my brain today. Because I heard so much shit that I cannot reveal yet. But I don't know if I'm okay with posting personal lore yet. Maybe after like a year or two, when the moment has passed, when the feelings have passed, maybe I can drop it just like a story time. Because right now it's too real. Yeah, I don't know how to explain the feeling. Maybe in some other video. But yeah, I just don't want to be like, yeah, I might get back. No, I won't. I will not. Like, I know I can't. I will not. I know that I won't. But to say that also in a funny way or in a. To entertain that thought. I don't want to entertain the thought of getting back together with this person. And I was thinking about this whole situation and I thought maybe I keep saying yes to this question or like think about this a lot that we might get back together is because my brain is unable to accept the fact that we made a wrong choice. That we were with someone for more than a year and that person was not a good person. I think that's what my problem is. Because my brain is like, people, you can tell. Like, you cut off people, like, and you don't hang out with people who are insufferable. So you would never date somebody who is insufferable, but you did. So they are not insufferable, but they are. I can be wrong sometimes, bro. Like, brain, you can be wrong sometimes. It's okay. It's okay. Just because you want to prove that you made the right choice doesn't mean you'll get back together with them, bro. Like, that does not make sense. That does not make sense. I know that's why my brain wants me to get back together with them or even entertain the fact that I might get back together with them. Because my brain wants to prove, no, this is the correct choice. You made the right choice. No, you didn't. It's okay. You made a mistake. It's fine. It's fine. And I'm not going to say that, you'll find better people. I don't know about other people. I don't know about finding new people, better people, I can't. I don't have it in me right now. I don't have the time and energy for this. And I get it. I get that you're not over them, but you also don't have to be like, I might get back together. Like, you can't repeat the whole thing. You just can't. And I'm talking to myself. But yeah, do you sometimes feel like your brain thinks nicely about some people just because they're like, no, you were right. They are nice, but they're not. They're not. Your brain is stupid, yeah. I think my brain is stupid sometimes. But yeah, bro, they horrible lore is going down. Every person that I talk to somehow who's related to this lore is giving me lore. I'm just like, hello, this is crazy. This is insane. I never expected. Like, it's just that, as an ex, of course I'm supposed to hate them or whatever. I don't though. But if I point something out in them, that would not matter because I'm an ex, so I am biased to hate them, which I don't again. But when other people, like, these are the people who don't know my lore, I don't talk about this lore anymore because it has been a year. I'm tired. Let's move on. So only my close friends know all about this, and if I'm crashing out sometimes ever, I reach out to my close friends. But nobody knows this lore anymore in my life. Like, anybody new in my life does not know my ex lore because it's not that important anymore. So these random people who don't know my lore, don't know my side of the story, are hating on them. I'm like, what? But you don't even know what they did to me. And they're like, we don't need to know. And I'm like, that is crazy to me. That is insane. Wow. And everything that I have noticed in this person, other people are pointing it out now. And I'm like, you also see it. You see it. You also see it. I am not the crazy one. You see it. Everybody sees it. Everybody sees it. And it's insane. It's insane. But yeah, I don't know how to, if someone can help me out in this, please do. How do I fix my brain, which keeps telling me, oh, you might get back together. No, you won't. That's how I react. Like, every time I say yes, I was like, no, you won't. You can't. You should not. I think मैं ही खुद के ऐसे थप्पड़ लगा दूंगा अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ जिंदगी में कि कभी ऐसा मोमेंट आया कि let's get back together, and then I'm like, yes, I love you so, and then मैं चाटे बजा रहा हूँ अपने उसी के सामने चाटे बजा रहा हूँ. Yeah, that's all. I have a lot to say and I have a week to myself, so I might yap a lot on YouTube because college की छुट्टी हो गई 1 हफ्ते के लिए क्योंकि वो कॉलेज में कुछ फिक्स कर रहे हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रॉब्लम. मेरा क्या है भाई, मैं तो मस्ती. ओके बाय. Please like, share, subscribe, comment.